What is up, Team Tiarrea B? If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. I'm Tiarrea B, and I'm just doing me. And in today's video, as you can see, I am in the car again. So that means we're doing another ride-along Uber mission today. And today I'm planning on driving for like 4 hours. So I'm going to try to hit that $25 an hour just like I was trying to hit yesterday. We'll see. I came a little short yesterday, but let's see if we can get it today. So I'm going to go from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. and we'll see how it goes. So I'll take you guys along with me. So definitely want y'all to stay tuned and follow along today. Alright, so I just finished my first 3 in a row for $9 and I think 50 cents. So I placed that here. So I finished that, and so now I am at about $33 and I'm about a little over an hour in, about an hour and 15 minutes in. It is 5:17 and I started at about 4:05. So I'm doing pretty good, you guys. I'm so hopeful that I can get this $100 in 4 hours. So just want to check back in. I'm going to take a quick restroom break over here at Quick Trip. Quick Trip is like my safe zone when I'm out and about and I'm rolling. I try to only stop at Quick Trip if I can help it. So anywho, guys, stay with me and thank you so much for joining me on this ride along today while I get this money with Uber. Okay, y'all, don't judge me because I love pizza. Comment down below if you're a pizza lover too. It is 7:02, you guys. As you can see, it is dark out here and I am about an hour away from finishing my 4 hours. So I'm at $57. I don't know if I'll get to $100 within an hour, but hey, I can definitely try. So stay with me. Alright, y'all, so change of plans. I decided to not go until 8 because I was on my way to somebody and they decided to cancel and I just ain't got time to be playing tonight. So I'm gonna cut it at 3 hours. I made $57 and some change and I'm editing Tiarrea B here. Actually got $62.18 because someone was nice enough to give me a tip. Thank you. I'm perfectly fine with that. That's almost $20 an hour, and actually I took a little bit of a break in between the 3 hours, so really probably 2.5 hours for $57. Not bad, but that's the cool thing about being your own boss. You can stop and go whenever you feel like it. And so yeah, so I decided to call it a night, and I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know if you like these kind of videos, and make sure that you hit that thumbs up button for me, please, because that way these new type of videos I'm posting will get circulated a little bit better, maybe give me another audience going in addition to the ones I already have. So shout out to Team Tiarrea B. Thank you guys so much for being so supportive and flexible during this transition in my life. The hair videos are still coming, but I am definitely just venturing out to something new right now. So stay with me, and I am Tiarrea B, and I am out.